Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum class 7. How are you to all? I hope you are fine. Please open your geography books. Chapter number 5, Atmospheric Pressure and Wind. Page number 58. Today we are going to do question answers and activities. So the first question is, what is atmospheric pressure? First question is, what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure क्या है? So its answer is available on your page number 57. Please open your page number 57. Have you opened your page number 57? This is the first answer of your question of exercise. Pressure can be defined as force that is applied on a unit area. Atmospheric pressure is the total weight of atmospheric gases and water vapor pressing down on the surface of the earth. This is your first answer. From pressure to earth. Please mark it and write it in your notebook. Pressure can be defined as the force that is applied on a unit area. Atmospheric pressure is the total weight of atmospheric gases and water vapor pressing down on the surface of the earth. So this is your first answer. Now again open your page number 58. The second question is how is atmospheric pressure measured? Atmospheric pressure को कैसे measure किया जाता है? The answer is available on 57. Please open your page number 57. The answer is of question number 2. Atmospheric pressure is measured with an instrument called barometer. The most common barometer is mercury barometer. The modern mercury barometer is not different from the original simple barometer invented by Torricelli, an Italian physicist and mathematician in 1643. The first barometer was merely a glass tube containing a vacuum closed at one end. The open ends was placed on a dish mercury. As normal air pressure was exerted on the surface, a column of mercury was forced up the tube to a height of roughly 76 cm at sea level. Variation is pressure cause changes in the height. यहाँ से आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टार्ट होगा और ये पूरा पैराग्राफ इसका आंसर है. आई नो कि फर्स्ट 2 लाइन्स में ही वो डिफाइन हो जाता है और बाद में उसका सारा स्ट्रक्चर बताया गया है और स्ट्रक्चर के साथ साथ उन्होंने वो बताया है कि मेजर कैसे होता है. तो क्वेश्चन ही यही है कि एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कैसे मेजर किया जाता है. इसीलिए इस पूरे पैराग्राफ को हम एज अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर कंसिडर करेंगे. So please mark the whole paragraph as answer number 2. Have you marked? Now again open your page number 58. The second question is, select the correct words to complete the sentences. This is your MCQs type question. The first one is, the simple barometer was. Simple barometer में क्या यूज़ किया जाता था? मरकरी. The simple barometer uses mercury. The B option is correct option. Please tick this B option. The simple barometer uses mercury. Second one, atmospheric pressure is the weight of water. The right answer is water. The atmospheric pressure is the weight of water. Air pressure dash as we travel upward. Air pressure क्या होती है, जैसे ही हम ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं तो उसका प्रेशर क्या होता है, डिक्रीज होता है. तो राइट आंसर इज डिक्रीज. प्लीज टिक द बी ऑप्शन. प्लीज टिक द बी ऑप्शन. डिक्रीज. एयर प्रेशर decrease as we travel upward. Now the third one is dash are used for showing air pressure on maps. एयर प्रेशर किससे शो किया जाता है, मैप से. हमने बबल में भी पढ़ा है, वो पेज नंबर 57 पे था. आइसोबार. The right answer is isobar. Please tick the C option. Fourth one is dash are used for showing air pressure on map. Is the correct answer is isobar. Fifth one, the simple barometer was invented by. Simple barometer किसने invent किया था, Torricelli. The right answer is Torricelli. The B option is the right option. Please tick the B option of 5. I repeat, the simple barometer uses mercury. The right option is B. Second, atmospheric pressure is the weight of water. The right option is B. Third one, air pressure dash as we travel upward. The right answer is B, decrease. Air pressure decrease as we travel upward. Fourth one, dash are used for showing air pressure on map. मैप पे एयर प्रेशर को कैसे मेजर किया जाता है, आइसोबार से. द फिफ्थ वन, द सिंपल बैरोमीटर वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय टॉरिसेली. सिंपल बैरोमीटर किसने इन्वेंट किया, टॉरिसेली ने. सो दिस इज योर टुडेज वर्क विच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is include further 2 questions. The first, what is the atmospheric pressure? The answer is available on page number 57 which I have marked. The second, how is the atmospheric pressure measured? Atmospheric pressure measure कैसे किया जाता है, इसका आंसर भी पेज नंबर 57 पर है जो कि मैंने आपको मार्क करवा दिया है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 is MCQs. I hope you have marked all the correct answer. So learn this and write it on your notebook. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.